Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix or download shortcuts not working on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? Our download shortcuts is not working. So you have open the Instagram app. So you have from download any video on your iPhone. So you have first step, you have click on share button. So you have click on share too, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on or download. So then you have download this video on your iPhone. So then you have four steps. Given a permission, this video is saved on your iPhone. So then you have four steps. Allow once on your Instagram or YouTube or any apps. Then you have download a video. His instructions from you have given any mobile model. Then you have uh, allow and once or always. Then you have always allow. Here is a do not permission. You have any video anytime you have download. Then you have allow once. Then is every time you have given a permission. Then you have four permissions and then given, and then automatic is a video is download in a gallery. So then second permission I have given, then third permission, and then fourth permissions. So then you have wait 5 to 10 seconds, and then this video is download on your iPhone. Then wait few seconds, and then video is loading. So then last steps is a given and video is download. Then last allow or download to save in photo album. Then you have allow once, and then this video is download the photos. So then you have open the photo, and then you have seen my gallery. So then you have this video is download. So 100% working is our download on my iPhone. So then you have how to download the R download shortcuts. So you have open the Safari browser, then you have search the Safari and you have theme point. So then you have first link theme point. You have not open fix or download Instagram reel all media download. You have click on first link theme points. So then you have open your iPhone, then you have click on three dots. So then you have iOS shortcuts, then click here and close this ad. So then you have seen on your iPhone all media downloader. So you have last then get the latest or download fixing or download shortcut error on iPhone and iPad. So then you have click here, and then you have scroll up, then you have seen the shortcuts. Here's our download update 2023. Install shortcuts, yes, download. Here's available on this name or download or yes download is same. Here's a update. So then you have install, and then you have some instructions is allow on your iPhone. So then is automatically download shortcut on your iPhone. Set up the shortcuts, and then you have next, and then add shortcuts. So I have already downloaded my iPhone. Then you is a given of replace. You have replace or keep both. Then you have continue this, and then problem will be fix your iPhone. So then this you have seen my iPhone, yes download. So then you have click here, and then here's a download, and you have some instructions is given on your iPhone. He's automatically download on your iPhone. So then you have hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.